Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find more security and privacy options. And here scroll down again to localize encryption and credentials. Let's tap. So here we've got this section credential storage, and almost at the very bottom of it we've got the option we're looking for. So remove all certificates, clear credentials, confirm it with OK, and as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.